So in this Vrbo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the nightly price filter here on the Vrbo application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Vrbo. Once that is done, go to the bottom left and press on the home icon or the home screen. Once you're here where it says going to for this demonstration, how about I select Vegas? Las Vegas, Nevada. We'll go the dates. We'll go, January 8th to January 16th, for example. And then for travelers, we'll just go with 2. Nice and easy, nice and simple. Then press on done. So then once that is done, press on search to get your initial search. Now, if you want to edit the nightly price, for example, it's super straightforward. You can go to the top here to where it says price. You can press on price right here to get the nightly price. So you can go ahead $0 to $3,000+ if you want to change it to maybe no more than like $1,000 per night, for instance, or 900. You can go ahead and do that. Press on done. But you can also do the exact same thing by going to the top left here on the other side of popular where it says 1 right here. Get on this filter, and where it says nightly price right here, you can adjust it to as much or to as little as you're looking for. So super simple, super straightforward. But that is how to edit the nightly price filter here on Vrbo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.